Right, so I've got the Nothing Headphones 1, and I'll be showing you how to use these headphones wired. Now, there's an auxiliary cable that comes in the box of your headphones. This one's right here, and you can see it's auxiliary on both sides. So once you get them out of their packaging, like this, then you can connect one end to your device. And by device, it could be a phone, it could be a laptop, it could be any device with a headphone jack. Okay, so it's a normal 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. Okay, so headphone connector. So you can plug it into the headphone jack of any phone or any computer, and then you can plug the other end into the headphones. Now the headphones also have a headphone jack. Now the trick here is to turn off the headphones, because once you connect them via a cable, then you won't need power. You don't even use the battery. Okay, so just connect the other end into the headphones, just like that. They're gonna click in place and you're good to go. So this one's go to the right side. Okay, so this is the right ear cup. That's where the cable goes. And once you connect them like that, all you have to do now is put them on your head and you can now consume music. Now, if you're on a computer, just make sure you go to the sound output settings and make sure that the speaker, the device is what is connected. Okay, and just like that. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.